How you doing? Zedhead here. Packed and ready to go. I think I've packed too much stuff. Oh shit. Good intro.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, show no fear.
Right, we'll see how this does. Let's power the beast up. How you doing, guys? Zedhead here. So this is the first leg of the journey. As you can see over my shoulder, I've got about 8 tons of stuff on my back. But we're going to see how it goes. I'm hoping it'll settle down. I think it's going to settle down into my seat. The guy's letting me up. That's nice of him. It's one thing about having a beard, you end up with pubes in your mouth. Oh, the shit on my shoulders. Just wondering whether it's all on the one side. Can't see. I'll possibly pull over and sort it. It feels as if it's all lopsided. It's all a learning process, kiddies. It's all a learning process. So how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Hello. This is part 1 of the camping trip down at Maidens. And the best laid plans. I had all my rucksacks set up, but what I think it is like one of my straps is looser than the other, and all the weight's on the one strap. It's fine, we'll sort it. Just find somewhere suitable to stop. We'll pull in, and a lot of the boys are down there already. I had to work until 3:30. Boo! Unfortunately in my work we don't get floating days yet. It's pretty much set holidays, which is caca. So it is Friday, and we're off for the camping weekend with the basic bikers. I'm sure Airshot Lobster and Logwood are already down. I'm not sure how I'll slot into the proceedings with regards to how many people are already down there, but we'll find out when we get there. So there's a wee bit up here that I can stop off, and what I'll do is I'll just check that everything is just lashed down and nothing's moved, nothing's slackened before I push on. So you don't take into consideration turbulence from the wind. Just head in here. just as I say, it gives me a chance just to make sure everything's okay. I seem to be seeing a lot over my right hand shoulder, so we'll see what's going on there. That's fine. That's fine. I don't think anything's going to fall off. So we'll head on. I'm knackered. Welcome to South Ayrshire. I'm not bothered about the biker on the road, but the guy in the Merc made an absolute pig's ear of bloody overtaking him. Oh, an Alpina, look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. Oh boy, it's driving it as well. You know, there's something very, very spiritual, I would say, about riding alone. Now, I love riding in a group, I absolutely love it, but there's something about getting out onto the open road yourself. Lone wolf, the lone wolf. Shut up, Zed, you're funny. No, there's something special about it. You can just get into your own headspace and enjoy the journey, experience it, be in the moment. All your cares, all your worries, they're all gone. Dutch House roundabout. Smoking a pancake. Can I change his euro gold? Ah, but no, you crazy Dutch bastard. I've been this way before. It all seems familiar. It's possibly been a run I've been on before. I recognise that row of houses. Do you know what it might be? Now that I think about it, this is the way I came to pick my bike up. No, not to pick my bike up. This is the way I came to meet the guy who used to own my bike, because I bought carbon fibre parts and that from him. And it's just dawned on me. Oh dear, 9 miles to go. So welcome back after a little montage or whatever I've done, whatever I can be bothered doing editing. Got 9 miles away. I'm not sure how accurate that's going to be, but fucking dick. Fucking kidding on. My. There's no excuse for that. Absolutely no excuse for that. They're looking at me as if I just fucking dropped off a spaceship. Oh, where have you came from? I was on the road, heading on it when you pulled out in front of me, you arse piece. Oh dear. Anyway. Welcome to the joys of biking. Zedhead Motovlogs.
Get the ball beer. Cheers!